Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you about inequalities, so welcome to YouTube inequalities class. It's gonna be fun. By the way, I'm sick, so I'm sorry if I sound crappy, because I'm sick, so yeah. So let's start with the basics of inequalities. We've all gone to school before and we've all seen something like this. Or maybe something like this. These are called inequalities. Oh yeah, there's also this sign, but we're going to get rid of that guy in this inequalities lesson because it's no longer good. It's not a real inequality. It actually makes things an equation. So, woo! You're learning stuff already. So let's get started with the basics of inequalities. So let's start out with something simple. 2 is blank to 3. Clearly, 2 is less than 3. You used to call these little alligators in school, just like and then you always do the number scared because they're about to be eaten by this little alligator. Yeah, life. Anyways, let's get on with it. So we all get this stuff down. It's easy. It's been done. So let's get rid of it. Today, we're going to be learning about more complicated stuff. Let's start with something still pretty easy. 2x is less than 5. So what we do here is we simply solve for x. So you look for the stuff, you see that there's multiplication, so you have to undo it by dividing 2 by itself. And if you do something to the left side, you do something to the right side. So 2 divided by 5 equals 2.5, which means that, then you drop down your x, you drop down your less than sign, and you bring down your answer. X is less than 2.5. And we do this process because we do it to both sides because it balances it out. And it's just how you solve X. I don't really know how else to explain it. So, yeah. So let's go into our hard. Okay, so now let's step it up a bit. We'll still do 2x, but this time plus 4 is greater than, and you know that equal sign that I said we were going to get rid of? Yeah, it's coming back. So hee, I'm back. So it waddles itself over here and squats itself down as one line, which means greater than or equal to. So yeah, that's what that sign means. So we're gonna do 7. So what you do is you look at this symbol and be like, oh, it's addition. So we're gonna do the opposite and subtract to undo it. Now 4, -4 cancels each other out. 4, -7, and -4 makes 3. So then you can carry this all down. divide that by 2, cross it out, divide that by 3, divide 3 by 2, which gives you a final answer of 1.5. Yeah. Okay, so then we're going to drop down our x, and we're going to do this in a different color. Drop down that sign, our greater than or equal to, not 5, x, and 1.5. And boom. That's how you do that. Okay, let's get back to it. So, we'll go 5x plus 3 to the power of 2 is less than 22. So, actually no, we'll get rid of that too. Pretend that doesn't exist. So we subtract 3. Done. Subtract 3 gives us 19. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 19 divided by 5 is 3.8. So sorry. So then, drop down our x, drop down our less than or equal to sign, and drop down 3.8. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you all have a great day. If you all want to see some animations or drawing type things from me, I think I might try to do one, but no guarantees. Have a nice day. Bye.